Hello everyone, I am Dr. Smita Borua, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to explain about matter, its physical and chemical classification of matters. Firstly, what is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. States of matter. Matter mainly exists in three physical states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. Different states of matter exhibit the following characteristics. Solids. Solid have definite volume and definite shape. Liquid. Liquid have definite volume but do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed. Gases. Gases have definite volume nor definite shape. Gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. They completely occupy the space in the container in which they are placed. And this figure shows the three different states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. As you can see, solid, where the molecules are compactly packed among themselves. There is no space between their molecules in solid states. In liquid, as you can see, the molecules are not completely packed. There is a space between the molecules and they can move freely in liquid state. While in gaseous state, the space between the molecules is very large and they can move freely or we can say randomly within the container. Now we will explain something about the interconversation between the different three states of matter. So when solid is heated, it gets converted to liquid, and this method is known as a melting process. When on further heating, the liquid gets converted to a gaseous state, and this is known as evaporation process. Again, when the gas is cooled, it gets converted to liquid, and this process is known as condensation process. And this liquid on further cooling it gets converted to solid, and this is known as a freezing process. So this figure shows the interconversations of the between the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Classification of matter. Chemically, matter is classified mainly into two types. One is a pure substance and the other is mixture. Pure substance. When all constituent particles of a substance are same in chemical nature, it is said to be a pure substance. Mixture. A mixture contains particles of two or more pure substances which may be present in it in any ratio. For example, sugar solution in water, air, tea, etc. are all mixtures. Again, mixture is mainly classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now, what is homogeneous mixture? In homogeneous mixture, the components are completely mixed with each other. This means particles of the components of the mixture are uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the mixture and its composition is uniform throughout. Sugar, for example, sugar solution and air are homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. In contrast to homogeneous mixture, in a heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout and sometimes different components are visible. For example, mixture of water and sand, grains and pulses along with some dirt, often stone pieces, are heterogeneous mixture. Now you can see a figure where matters are being classified into mainly into two, that is mixture and pure substances. Again, mixture is classified into heterogeneous and homogeneous. I have already explained about mixture, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture too. Now I will explain about pure substance. Pure substances. Pure substances have characteristics different from mixture. Constituent particles of pure substances have fixed composition. Copper, silver, gold, water, and glucose are some example of pure substances. Glucose contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in a fixed ratio and its particles are of same composition. So glucose is a pure substance. Pure substance can be further classified into two types. One is elements and the other is compounds. Elements. Particles of an element consist of only one type of atoms. These particles may exist as atoms or molecules. Sodium, copper, silver, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. are some example of elements. Compound, when two or more atoms of different elements combine together in a definite ratio, the molecule of a compound is obtained. Moreover, the constituents of a compound cannot be separated into a simpler substances by physical method. They can be separated by chemical method. Example of some compounds are water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sugar, etc. So this is all about matter and its classification. Thank you.